Where does the name for 4 Mile Bridge, or in Welsh Pont-rhyd-y-bont, come from? So today I'm on Ynys Môn on Anglesey, and this bridge and village behind me here is called 4 Mile Bridge, or Pont-rhyd-y-bont. Let's get into the name. 4 Mile Bridge, or Pont-rhyd-y-bont, has very different English and Welsh names. The English name is 4 Mile Bridge, as back before the Cobb and the A55 were built, this was the main way from Holyhead onto Ynys Môn, and it was almost exactly 4 miles away from Holyhead along the old stagecoach road. The Welsh name is Pont-rhyd-y-bont, which is made of 4 parts. Pont, which means a bridge, from Latin pons, rhyd, which means a ford, a crossing place on a river, meaning the, and bont again, which is the soft mutation of pont, meaning a bridge. This implies that originally there was a ford here with a bridge of some type, which gave its name to the ford, Rhyd-y-bont. This ford name was re-emphasised when another bridge was built on top of it, so Pont-rhyd-y-bont. The earliest record of a bridge here was in 1530, though it's quite likely there was one here a lot earlier than that. The current bridge was originally built in the 1700s. So the name literally means the bridge that's 4 miles away from Holyhead, or it means the bridge of the ford of the bridge. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.